Walking is one of the simplest forms of exercise, but can the 666 walking workout help you lose weight? In this video, we'll explore what the 666 walking workout is and how it works. The 666 walking workout means walking for 6 minutes at a brisk pace, 6 times a day, for 6 days a week. It's designed to fit into your day without requiring hours at the gym. Walking burns calories, improves metabolism, and is gentle on your joints. Studies show that even moderate-intensity walking can lead to significant weight loss over time. Start with a pace that challenges you, but is still comfortable to maintain. Incorporate hills or stairs into your route to burn more calories. Don't forget to stay hydrated and wear comfortable shoes. The key to weight loss is consistency, and the 666 plan makes that achievable. Combined with a balanced diet, this routine can help you create a calorie deficit. Remember, everyone's body responds differently, so results may vary. Walking also boosts your mood, improves cardiovascular health, and reduces stress. It's not just about weight loss, it's about feeling good and staying healthy. The 666 walking workout is simple, effective, and easy to stick to. So lace up your shoes and give it a try. Your health journey starts today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.